Hey, to insert memory card into the OnePlus Nord CE5, then first of all you will have to grab the SIM ejection tool and input it just over here. Let me just catch focus on it. There we go. So input this tool over here, now press on it and grab with your fingernails over here and gently pull it towards you. And right now you will have to grab the slot. You have to go for the SIM slot second. And now we have to input that card like this. Take a look. Now hold it with your finger and try to put it properly. So like this. Now try to push it. There we go. And as you can see, it is finished.